Lisa, who do we have up for shout outs?
All right, so we are gonna go right away. Remember that you have a 1-minute time limit. Nicole Flickema is going to assist with your timing. I also want to remind you that if you're seeking McBAP or CHES credits, we ask that you have your camera on throughout the day for the Shoalition. We understand if you have to step away for some personal care. Up first is Marianne Vergeth. Marianne, are you here? And like to give your shout out at this time.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Marianne Vergeth with the Alliance of Coalitions for Healthy Communities. Yeah, I guess I just want to just let everybody know, what we're doing here in Oakland County real quickly. Our prevention efforts are ongoing. We've been doing a lot of school implementation with our Renewed program. We got some of the COVID relief funding and partnered with United Way to implement Renewed because of all the additional stress that young people are feeling. A lot of schools have been concerned about mental health issues. So we've partnered with a lot of schools across the county and our coalitions to implement the Renewed program. It's a mindfulness-based program for middle schoolers. And then we've also developed Renewed Junior. That is a mindfulness-based program for elementary school students. So we've had a lot of success, a lot of positive feedback for that. And then we're also have increased a lot of our harm reduction efforts due to the fentanyl crisis and opioid problems across the country, actually. So a lot of harm reduction efforts and Narcan training as well. Is that a minute?
Okay. Yes, just under. That's wonderful. If everyone can do that, great. Thank you, Marianne. Next up will be Aurelia Pena from Barry Eaton.
Hi there, good morning. My name is Aurelia Pena. I'm the epidemiologist over here at Barry Eaton District Health Department. So the health department is an active partner with the Barry Substance Abuse Task Force and Eaton County, or the Eaton County Substance Awareness Advisory Group. And there's many projects that both coalitions are doing to minimize youth alcohol. But as an epidemiologist, I'm working to support both coalitions with collecting and analyzing data on a variety of substances. I'm especially working on being creative with collecting data for youth in Barry County. MyFi data is just not as available, as many schools just don't complete it. So I'm excited to continue to learn about coalitions across the state and maybe hear some efforts that coalitions have done in the absence of MyFi data.
Great, thank you so much. Next up, Sarah May from the Benzie Area Youth Initiative.
Yes, good morning. I'm Sarah May, and I just wanted to let you guys know that our coalition worked with both of our high schools in our county and produced 3-minute videos to help give kids information how to cope with stress in healthy ways. The high school students were really concerned about mental health concerns coming off the pandemic, and so it was great to hear the voices of the students to show there's a lot of different ways you can cope with stress. Probably one of the most popular ways was they used music, listening to music, as well as exercise, going outside, taking a walk, talking to friends, and also they realized the importance of talking to a trusted adult.
Okay, thank you so much. Next up, Sarah Krebs from Child Advocacy.
Hey everyone. So in Gratiot County, we've been doing a lot of things with Sticker Shock. We have all of our proms going on right now. So we've been working with the students in our Above the Influence program to do Sticker Shock in the different towns in Gratiot County. And then we also have done the radio town hall recently, where we brought in students, one of our local judges, the undersheriff, and a couple other people from the health department and Gratiot Integrated Health Network, which is our community mental health coordinator in Gratiot County. So we have been busy with that. And then we also have been doing a lot focusing on suicide prevention. We've recently had some deaths related to suicide. And so we have been focusing really hard on providing question, persuade, and refer trainings to not only students, but throughout the community and really pushing that. And then we also recently added a Narcan vending machine to our community mental health agency, Gratiot Integrated Health Network. So that is going great. And we are kind of surprised at how quickly the Narcan is flying out of the vending machine. So
Sure,
lots of things
sure.
going on around here.
Very good. Thank you so much. Next up, Amanda McVeigh, Family Service and Children's Aid. Amanda?
Good morning. My internet has been going in and out, so I apologize if it does go out. So we've been doing a lot at Family Service and Children's Aid.
Uh-oh.
Go next.
Yeah. Next up, and if Amanda comes back, she can put her information in the chat. That would be great. Next up is Zach Bates. Zach?
Yeah,
All
so
right.
with the same spiel as Sarah Krebs had. Yeah, we looked at our alcohol town hall meeting, which went really well. We had our sticker shock, so just to emphasize those a little more. Yeah, they were awesome. It was really cool to connect with the community, connect with the students, all of that. But Sarah kind of gave our big update, so it's been busy around here, but very good.
Thank you so much. All right, Kim from Holly Area Community Coalition.
Okay, I'm actually gonna go for Kim. Her camera is not working.
Oh,
Emily from the Holly Area Community Coalition. And I know we give a lot of updates at the MCRED and alcohol policy calls, but we're looking forward to, we have a prayer breakfast coming up next week. We're looking forward to that. We're also doing a lot of things with our youth group, our high school youth group, and specifically we're doing some things to get ready for prom and do some stuff with them. So yeah, that's where we're at. Thank you.
right. Thank you so much. Next up, and probably our last one, Debbie with Ionia County Health Department. Allison. Okay. Angela Bolin. Angela? Okay. Going on, Sandy Ennis, Michigan State Police. All right, this is going quickly. Cara Thomas, I know she's on Detroit Wayne.
Good morning. I am elated to speak on many of what our coalitions across the region for 43 cities, as most of you know. We have about 19 coalitions in our area. Not that all, we do not fund them all, but we do support and try in many ways to support them all. And what I briefly like to just state those, I think some are even here, that is going down our list of those who do not only alcohol, but of course address substance use disorder services. I do see that we have our LAHC at Coalition present. We have usually involved is our SUDS Coalition, which is in our Downriver area, part of the Guidance Center. And that is also here is and this is a minute, I'm trying to get them all in, right? The shouting out to our Hamtramck Drug-Free Coalition, I saw present here as well. We do have tried to cover each area. Empowerment Zone Coalition is one of our coalitions in the area. Forgive me as I'm doing this at the top of my head and not looking at my list, but I do know that we have them covered across Action Coalition is in our Detroit area. We also have, within those 19, we include our Wayne State and our Poison Control coalitions that I've been working apart and hand in hand with as well. Forgive me if I did not say your name, but I know our time is ticking.
Yeah.
But I might take 2 minutes because somebody didn't go before me, right?
No, that's not the case.
That's not the case. But I would like to make sure I don't forget anyone in the Detroit Wayne area, because a lot of work is going on in promoting and preventing, especially raising the awareness this month on alcohol and other areas that we do address, even within our month of April that we celebrate.
Absolutely.
If I didn't say your name, charge it to my head. I know that we are working hard together here in Wayne County, and I would be remiss to make sure that each one of them is doing something unique in the work here in Wayne County, along with our faith-based collaborative too. So
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, Kara.